Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Vitaski Hanifa. You can call me Vitas. From class 2B, from Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Teacher Education at Win Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I made this video to fulfill my mid-semester exam assignment. A long time ago, in a small village hidden deep in the forest, there lived a boy named Lucian. He was known by the villagers as a smart and brave kid, but also very curious, especially about mysterious things. On the edge of the village, there was an old, abandoned house. It looked hug and majestic, but creepy, surrounded by tall bushes and towering trees. People believe the house has wanted and held a big, dark secret. They said had 13 mysterious doors, and whoever dared to open the 13 would wake up something that should never be awakened. But Lucian didn't believe in Tassab superstition. His curiosity only grew stronger every time he heard stories about the old house. One morning, while the village was still covered in fog, Lucian decided to sneak into the house. His heart was racing as he pushed open the front door and stepped inside. It was silent inside, only the sound of his footsteps and the creaking wooden floor. He started exploring room by room, and sure enough, he found a hallway lined with 13 doors. Excited, Lucian opened the doors one by one. Behind the first door, he found a garden where the flowers could talk. Behind the second, a world with a purple sky and rivers flowing from the clouds. Each door led him to a strange and magical world. But the more doors he opened, the weirder the house felt. The air turned cold and sharp, and the light inside began to dim. Just as he was about to open the 12th door, a whisper choked through the house. "Stop! Don't open the last door." But Lucian didn't stop. His curiosity was stronger than his fear. With trembling hands, Lucian opened the 13th door. Instantly, the lights went out and a freezing wind swept the room. From the doorway came a giant shadow with glowing red eyes. It was the Keeper of Secrets, an ancient creature who had been trapped behind that door for centuries. The Keeper was furious for being awakened and warned that the old curse would now return to haunt the world. Lucian felt terrible. He realized his curiosity had brought danger to everyone, but the keeper saw something else in him bravery. He gave Lucian a choice, closed the door and sealed the curse again. But in return, Lucian would lose his voice forever. Without hesitation, Lucian nodded. He chose to save the world instead of keeping his voice. With his last bite of strange, he closed the door, the seal activated again, and the house went quiet and dark once more. Although Lucian lost his voice, his bravery in saving the village was never forgotten. The villagers remembered him as a hero who was willing to sacrifice for the sake of others. The story of the 13th door continued to be passed down, serving as a lesson that curiosity without knowledge can lead to disaster, and that action based on courage and sincerity will always be remembered. The old house remains tightly shut, waiting for someone not just curious but wise enough to open it once more. Thank you very much. That's the story I'm telling. More or less, I apologize. Thank you. Bye.